Welcome back. Well, the SGX Nifty is indicating that we'll have a flat start, but remember, it was indicating that yesterday as well, and then we had that big day yesterday. In fact, the market's been very strong. Every dip consolidation is getting bought. We have Sudarshan Sukhani and Mitessh Thakkar now joining us. Gentlemen, good morning. Sudarshan, this is a market in which a lot of people are questioning that why is the market going up, but the market's going up. So and that's the reality. So as a trader, how do you approach it incrementally?
Good morning, Anuj. The last thing I do is to question the markets. I've never understood why it goes up, but it does that. So we'll just follow it. Yesterday, the idea was to go long with a stop under 450. That 17,450 number never came. So that long trade was there. Whether you carried it or not is a different matter. The same trade continues. I mean, the long trade continues today also. The markets are showing remarkable, say, relative strength as compared to other markets. We just have to accept what they are doing rather than, question and think. And I'm too shallow to understand what the markets do. That applies to most traders. So buy the Nifty today. Now the stops have been raised. It's now 17,550. So far as 17,550 holds, I would be a buyer in the Nifty. Whether you buy it at the open, on a breakout, on a dip is a matter of personal trading, say, choice. But be long in the Nifty, and that applies even more so in the Bank Nifty, which actually made new highs yesterday, new 3-month highs. So keep a stop at 39,400 and buy the Bank Nifty. Again, the exact point of buying is for the trader to decide, but stay on the long side.
Okay, stay on the long side. 17,550 is the Nifty stop. Yesterday, of course, Sudarshan stop was 17,450 with markets rally that's gone up to 17,550, and 39,400 is the stop loss on the Bank Nifty. Sudarshan is buying both the indices. Mitessh, good morning. You have been carrying long trades as well. What's the approach from here on now?
Yes, good morning. I think very clearly the bias has been that this is a market which is contracting within a bigger market, within a bigger trend, which is more on the expanding side or on the upward side. So I think in that sense, we've maintained a very positive bias on the indices. The idea is to, within this contraction or consolidation, try to buy on declines to support areas. Otherwise, trade with long bias on stock-specific basis. On the Nifty in the short term, my sense is that I think the index could possibly head towards 17,750 or 17,850. I think these are the two contours to look on the upside consolidation range, and that's where I think we'll take profits. Otherwise, trade with more of stock-specific biases till then.
Okay, what about individual stocks?
On the individual stock side, Sonia, I have 3 buys to a sell. Dixon Technologies has had a good breakout, and in fact, last few days using mid-cap play good catch-up. So Dixon is one of the stocks which has given a good breakout yesterday. Buy with a stop at 41.50, targets of 43.25 here. Aditya Birla Fashion is a buy with a stop at 306 for targets of 330. The sell call for the day is Bajaj Auto. Keep a stop at 4,000 or just above it and look for targets of 38.75. And JSW Steel is the final buy call with a stop at 668 for targets of 710.
Okay, and Sudarshan, what are you going with?
Well, I'm going with the all-buy list, but I must say that traders should carefully follow their stop losses. My optimism may not be reflected in the markets, and that's the way we protect ourselves. Bandhan Bank is a buy. The theme is the same. The stocks have been consolidating. Now they're showing rising momentum and breaking from small resistance levels. Bandhan Bank is a buy with a stop under 276. For me also, Dixon is a buy. We are probably seeing the same charts with a stop under 4110. JSW Steel is a buying opportunity. It made new highs yesterday, new 3-month highs with a stop under 662. And NTPC is a buy, same story, new 3-month closing highs with a stop under 162.